What's up, everyone? After flying out of one day into a whole nother, I am in Lisbon, Portugal. Headed to Portugal. More exactly, I'm in Oeiras, which is a city not too far off from Lisbon. Like always, I found myself in a long walk. I'm just trying to get to the beach. There's a whole bunch of shops, restaurants. I'm starving, so have a about 3-mile walk here. Really getting into a good routine, working my butt off to get these up. A lot of footage going through it, 3-4 hours of editing at least every evening. All good with me as long as someone enjoys it and as long as I can get food somewhere in that process. So believe it or not, I got some food. Surprising part is I got the sandwich and 2 drinks, and it only cost me a little over €3. So that's really a fantastic price. I ended up getting down to the beach and spoke with this officer. He said you can't fly drones on that specific beach, so I definitely do need to go to Lisbon later on this week. The place I was at now is the closest beach to the hotel, so it was super nice. I put up some nice photos, some nice clips I can put together from that. Across this park, looks really cool. I'm just gonna use it for a sec to get some Instagram pics. So I'm almost back to the hotel. Portugal has been fantastic this first day. I have no clue how I'm still up. I barely got any sleep on the airplane. I just don't know what it is. I couldn't get comfortable. So I have arrived. This is Portugal. It's Lisbon, Portugal, more exactly Oeiras, Portugal, and I'm going to find some really fun stuff to do tomorrow. Today I just wanted to come out and film some stuff. I'm gonna go enjoy this room and see you all tomorrow.